Welcome back. We got our first no heat call this morning. It says downstairs isn't heating properly. Maintenance was done not too long ago. Get over there and go see what we can find. I went inside to go check to see if there was any error codes on the thermostat. Of course, the date and time is wrong on the thermostat, so I don't exactly know when these errors occurred, but the last two that were on there was a pressure switch fault and an ignition fault. Sounds like a little bit of water is inside that inducer there. Oh yeah, put the clip on the bottom so nobody can get to it. Yeah, that makes a whole bunch of sense. What about this one? There we go. I'm pretty sure we found the issue here, boys. I pulled this hose off and we got water backing up in here. So I've got to push this back on and go grab a shop vac or something to get this cleared out with. So, alright. Oh yeah, I can see some gunk in that P-trap. Alright. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay. I don't know if you can see the gunk in there, but we're gonna go get this cleaned out. Good deal. Everything's hooked back up. Back on and running. You can hear no more water sloshing around inside that inducer. I can hear water dripping into the P-trap. We know that guy's clear. We know our drain line's clear. We should be good to go. Got us a no heat call for a new customer we are about to go check out. Inducer's got a little bit of a grind to it. It's sparking, but there's no gas. It ain't got no gas in it. I see why. Oh no. The gas meter's locked. We're at our next one, and we've got ourselves a blown fuse. Opened up the unit. We checked our 24-volt wires. Nothing there. Just popped open the fan and was checking the wires that are coming through here. Normally where I see issues, and right here that wire has rubbed and it's hard to see, but there's just a little piece of copper. See that guy right there? There's your short. 1.5 on a 5. Yeah, we need a new cap. Got me chilling in the bushes right now, man. Oh, I think it's trying to light. Let's see if we can figure out what's happening. I smell gas. No spark. And it looks like there's some tape around that igniter, so we'll get the power shut off and see what that's about. Electrical tape? Why? The wire's nowhere to be found. So there you go. Just took some needle nose, cut that. So now we got that wire exposed. Get this back on here. What is the deal with the tape on this unit, man? Somebody's just I I guarantee you there's a nick on this wire, and instead of undoing it and stripping it, they just wrapped it in electrical tape. I guarantee it. Yes, sir. Just came across a taco truck, man. Let's go grab some lunch. Oh my goodness, man. I've just about killed this thing. So good. Shout out to Taqueria Los Amigos. So good. If you're not stopping for taco trucks, I just don't know that we can be friends. I'm at my boss's rental property right now, and we're gonna go do something we've never done before. All right, so the last time I was here, the tenant had a complaint that their clothes were not drying properly, and they were starting to get a wet spot on the ceiling. And what I found was that dryer vent behind me that you just saw right up there was actually blocked by a bird's nest, and dryer lint had started to back up, and so that's why I wasn't drying properly. And I think because it wasn't able to exhaust, it was also causing it to condensate and leak. So we got this handy dandy lint eater here. We're gonna hook it up to the drill and see if we can get the rest of this stuff cleared out. All right, well, we got something. Look at this, man. Good night. Woo. All right, keep it going. See what else we can get. She's flowing now. Look at all that mess. Good night.